Hello, welcome back to the workshop. It's great to have you here again. Today is day 4 of the February Evolution Toolmaking class. It's going really well. Like I said yesterday, it's a great group of guys. They're advancing really fast, making great progress. And last night I was thinking to myself, maybe they can step up to making a slightly larger hammer. Usually on this class, we make a 2.5 pound classic rounding hammer, and that's kind of the limit as people are still getting into it. We usually went at about 2.5 pounds. Today, we're gonna experiment for the first time. We're gonna have them try and all make a 3.5 pound square circle hammer. So this is gonna be exciting, big piece of steel, lots of metal to move. Hopefully it all goes very well. I'm thrilled to bring you along for the day. Have a great one. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's been a cracking 4 days of the Evolution of Toolmaking class. Had a huge amount of fun. Everybody did fantastically, and they all made some really nice 3.5 pound square circle hammers. Lots of fun. Thanks guys for coming. Really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next episode tomorrow. Bye-bye.